Hey guys, welcome back. I'm thrilled to report that Tjmaxx was on their game this trip with so much to explore. We are looking at furniture, textiles, home decor, including some seasonal Easter items. Let's coast through Tjmaxx. First up is this faux leather caramel stool, 26 inches high, very sleek and on clearance. Fold a throw blanket on top to make it feel even more cozy. This is a large storage bench, 40 by 19 by 18 inches in light gray. Would be great at the foot of your bed for storing blankets and extra pillows. Shelving unit, 22 by 14 by 36 inches high, solid wood, made in India. Pretty and practical 3-basket storage piece on a wooden frame. This is an almost exact look-alike for the one sold at World Market for $130. Get this one here at over 50% lower in price. Another sleek stool, 26 inches high, super cushiony. This one's made in Mexico. Don't you just love this bench with the wooden sides? This furniture piece would do well in your entryway area so you can put on and take off your shoes. Solid wood. These nesting tables are so handy and they come in 4 sizes. Use the largest one as a side table in your living room. Solid wood top with a metal frame. In the back there is a bedside table that is solid acacia wood. It has one drawer and a cabinet compartment for storage. Light colored wood side table with one drawer. There is a very similar one at Walmart for $169.23. Get this one here at Tjmaxx for much less. These white woven baskets come in 4 sizes. You can use the smallest one for mail and then the larger ones for shoes and blankets. Here we've got some Easter decorations with the moss bunny and the little chick. You can display these by your flower arrangement. These wooden eggs are great for Easter decorating. You can put these in a low profile basket or on top of your place setting. Valentine's Day is over, but you can still use this heart year-round. Once you remove that sticker, you're left with a really pretty translucent white heart. Can be styled on top of books, on a console table, or a coffee table. This is such a pretty clamshell and it was quite large. Bloomingdale's has a clamshell similar in size and it's called the Neptune Bowl. Theirs does have a base, but regardless, it is $850. Get the same look for a whole lot less here at Tjmaxx. If you're enjoying this video and getting some affordable ideas for your home, please consider subscribing. I would love for you to join me on a regular basis. Double handle vase is a steal. It's got pivots and it just looks like it's been around for like 50 years. It can be styled alone or with some greenery stems. It's very versatile and in the summertime you can style it with some colored flowers. Made in Indonesia, this bowl with its beautiful coloring can add so much warmth to your room. Can be used for keys as you walk into the house or styled on a coffee table or bookshelf. Truly a naturally beautiful piece. Well, the candle department did not disappoint. This heart-shaped candle smelled really good. It's called Sugared Citrus and it's a soy blend. It comes in a beautiful gold container and when you're finished with this candle, you can pour in your own wax and keep on using. Here's a few more that I thought smelled quite good. very cool and unique lamp with a fluted type shade and base. Weathered wood trays. The price is really good on these. I must have entered the marble and wood section. There's a lot of choices here, as you're going to see in a minute. I love a good board like this, and this one was on clearance. I'm not sure if this is an actual ice bucket, but you can use this as a utensil crock. This is a very pretty way to incorporate some pattern into your home decor if you don't want to commit on a large scale. Napkin holder, keeping with that marble and wood look. Soft blue knitted throw. I thought this one was super pretty by Nicole Miller, the checkered pattern in a soft white and slate blue. A knit chenille throw in tan. Pretty royal blue and white throw blanket. Another one by Nicole Miller. Here the color is a muted sage green and white. Off-white and light blue stripe. I thought this pillow looked very cozy. I loved the colors. This one's chunky and loaded with tassels. These neutral planters come in 2 sizes with its raised design. The Martha Stewart ceramic bunny is simple yet striking at the same time. Here's a smaller one in a different brand. It's like a peach pink color. Please smash that like, share with all your coastal friends, and continue watching my other videos for more ideas. See you next time!